In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share databases in Notion. If you're collaborating with a teammate, a client, or a study partner, sharing a database the right way keeps everyone on the same page while protecting your content. I'll walk you through the essentials and point out a few tips so you feel confident before you hit send. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. If you already have the desktop app, that works too. The steps are the same. Click Login or Launch Notion to open your account. Make sure you're signing into the workspace where the database actually lives, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Once you're in, go to your workspace sidebar and navigate to the exact page where your database is located. Your database might be a full-page database or an inline table inside a larger page. Either way, open the page so you can see the database clearly. In the top right corner of the page, click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the database and what they can do with it. If you want to invite people directly, enter the email address or select a group from your workspace. Groups are great when you want consistent access for a team. Add the group once and everyone in it gets the same level of access. Next, choose their permission level. Notion typically offers options like can view, can comment, can edit, or full access. Pick the level that matches what they actually need. For example, if someone only needs to read or reference the database, choose can view. If they'll be collaborating by updating rows or adding entries, choose can edit. Reserve full access for trusted collaborators who might manage sharing or structure. When you're ready, click Invite. The person or group will receive an email notification and the database will appear in their Notion. You'll also see them listed in the sharing panel so you can review or adjust access later if needed. A quick tip: give the least permissions necessary to reduce accidental changes. There's another way to share. Click Copy Link in the sharing panel. This creates a shareable link you can paste into a message or document. Keep in mind, the link respects the permissions you've set, so the recipient will need the appropriate access to open it. This is handy for quickly sending the database to people who already belong to your workspace. That's it for sharing databases in Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, practical guides.